Hi, and welcome to 1CW Question. I'm your host, Vince, VE6LK. Today with me is my really special guest, Dave Sumner, K1ZZ. Or is it K1ZZ? Doesn't matter.
ZZ.
ZZ is perfect. Dave is a DX contester. He's been into ham radio since the 1950s. He has a storied past with both the IARU and the ARRL. Dave, thanks for all of your time with those two organizations. Thank you for being here today. What's your one best tip for somebody trying to learn CW?
Well, hello, Vince, and thank you for inviting me to do this. My one best tip is start young. Unfortunately, that's probably advice that many of your viewers can't follow. So I'll move on to my next tip, which is ask yourself, what's your goal? Is your goal simply to know Morse code but not actually use it? Is your goal to use it on the air but probably not as your major activity? Or are you really serious about it? And if you're really serious about it, my tip is don't start at a slow speed. Start listening to Morse code at a speed of at least 18 words a minute, and extend the delay between characters. In other words, you want to listen to a character sent at 18 words a minute, and then wait a while until you've figured out what it was you just heard, and over time just shorten up the space between the characters. If you try to learn at a slow speed, you'll be stuck at the slow speed, and you don't want that. The best source I know of for learning Morse code online is lcwo.net, learncwonline.net by Fabian Kurtz, DJ5CW.
Dave, thank you so much. I wish I could say that I started young and I started fast. I did neither of those things. I wish I would have. I appreciate you being here as part of the project today. Thank you so much. 73.
Bye.